Many of us have been there. You record a voiceover or a voice memo or a YouTube video, and you come back to listen to it and realize the audio sounds terrible. How do you fix it? I'll share the secret with you in this video. What you want to do is drag your file into the Adobe Speech Enhancer. To do that, you want to navigate to podcast.adobe.com/enhance. If you just go to podcast.adobe.com, you're not going to get this screen. So remember to put the /enhance. By the way, I should mention this tool is absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Use it. Okay, let's go into it. So I'm going to drag my file. This is the audio enhancer file. All right, so this is me. You can see it has quite a bit of noise in there, some construction work. We're going to drag it in. So I'm going to take this, so you can see my screen. I'll drag it down. I'm going to take this file and drag it in here. Then just give Adobe a few seconds to work its magic. Sometimes it can take a while, depending on how long your file is. Sometimes it can take a minute, sometimes more, but don't worry, it's working its magic. It'll get there shortly. Just hold on. All right, so it looks like it's done. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to play it without, so you know what we're listening for, and then I'm going to play it with the enhancement. You'll notice such a huge difference. Okay. All right, so this is me recording on my computer with a lot of construction noise happening in the background. Okay, you heard that? Now let's put on the enhance.
I wanted to see how well Adobe would be able to remove the noise in the background as I'm recording. All right, let's stop the recording now and test it out.
Okay, did you notice that it reduced the amount of noise in the background? What I could also do is probably run it inside Adobe twice. So download this file and then rerun it through Adobe, and then you'll find that the construction noise is a lot more reduced, but the voice just sounds a lot better and a lot cleaner. Now, like I said, that was a situation where there was a lot of background noise, but imagine you had a situation where the recording wasn't great, but it wasn't that bad. You can use this to really enhance your audio, so you can get podcast ready audio. This would be perfect for podcasters who interview people and want to make sure that their voices sound crisp, the voices are at good levels, that sort of thing. But yeah, try it out today. If you ever need to improve the quality of your audio recording, of your voice, try the Adobe Podcast Enhance tool today. That was pretty awesome, wasn't it? I hope this tip helped you anyway. If it did, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Trust me, it really helps the channel grow. It helps YouTube push this channel out to other people who might find this interesting as well. So go ahead and help my channel. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. But in the meantime, check out some other videos that are going to pop somewhere on the screen, maybe over here or over here. I'm not sure, but it'll appear soon. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.